Hello everyone, this is your host Ajay Preeti here from Pakistan again with a new video about scholarship in Europe, in Italy, and this is from University of Padova. So there are a number of videos on this channel, Scholarship World, which are from Italy. I mean the scholarships about scholarship from Italy that the students feel these videos interesting. I have observed that which are about the scholarship from Italy. So I thought this opportunity has come now for regional scholarship. So this is Veneto regional scholarship in the University of Padova. These are for the bachelor, masters, and PhDs. But this video is only for bachelors and masters because for PhD the deadline is late, will come later on. For the bachelors and master program, the deadline is 30th of September for this University of Padova. So I thought that students will feel it interesting to apply in this. So these are the regional fully funded scholarships from University of Padova, and the region name is Veneto region. So I hope you will feel this useful. Okay, so let's talk about these fully funded scholarships from this university. You can see about the history of Padova, University of Padova, from this page, and this is the famous theatre of the University of Padova, which they have maintained well, and it began in 15,095. So it was built in 15th century. It is written here the university houses the oldest surviving permanent theatre in Europe, so dating from 1595. So you will feel that this university is a historical university. It was founded in, let's see here, in 1222, I think. So it's in this history, you can find it. So this university was, yes, you can see here, 1222. So very old university and very famous one. It has good ranking in Europe, nearly 43 in Europe, and in the world it also have very good ranking. So you can go through the history of this university if you are interested in this history thing. Very good notable alumni are there also, and the notable faculty members are also there. So this about the history bit, which you can go through from this page, or you can go through from Google as well. So let's talk about the details of this scholarship, which is fully funded by University of Padova, regional scholarships. So the international students are welcome to apply for the Padova University scholarships in Italy for 2025-26 session. Students from all over the world are welcome to apply. So these scholarships are fully funded to pursue bachelor's and master degree programs. You can see the buildings of university and University of Padova, and this again the theatre is there, the famous theatre, and these are the alumni, famous alumni by this university, and Italian flag is there. So these are the regional scholarships by Veneto region in which the Padova is situated, or this university is situated, and this university is in the city of Padova. So for the bachelor program, the scholarship is for 4 to 5 years, and for master program, the scholarship is for 2 to 3 years. Actually, it is for 2 years, but if some students are lagging behind, so it can be offered for third year as well, because this is a need-based scholarship. Okay, so you must have to maintain some GPA. So they will make some merit, but you can able to get it if you have GPA more than 2.7. So it is written here that it was this university was established in 1222. So very historical university. So if we talk about the scholarship summary, so country is Italy, University of Padova. So bachelor's and master program fully funded, international student can apply, and 30th of September is deadline. Maximum is 4 to 5 years for bachelor programs. So if we talk about the programs offered by this university, so under this regional scholarship, these these are the benefits by this scholarship. It is the lump sum amount of 8,068 euros per year, and monthly stipend will you can divide it into on 12 and you can get the monthly stipend, and it includes the living allowance and books allowance is separate, and medical insurance is provided. So it's also some inside that Italy, if you want to travel, so they will provide you travel tickets. So this is good thing. Okay, so eligibility criteria is different for bachelors and masters. Uh, you can see that you are eligible if you are international student, and for the bachelor programs you must have a higher secondary degree or a higher secondary diploma, which are 12-year diploma. For the master, you must have done your bachelor's degree, and undergraduate degree should be completed. A good academic record is compulsory. Okay, so experience in research for masters and bachelor programs. If you have some good research experience, so it's good for the research program. So medical fitness should also be maintained, and the offered programs are by these universities. This is the list of the offered program. So you can see these are the programs in bachelor's and master's. This list is here. You can see that food and natural resources and all the biology and different programs. You can see, scroll through the list. So these I will put in the description as well. So these are the different programs in which you can try to get admission. So there are a number of very famous programs are this. These are all by this university. Okay, required documents for bachelor programs. There is required documents is different. You can go through this one and you can check your required documents. I'm scrolling down so that you can read through, and you can pause the video and you can check the required documents for bachelor's and master degree programs. For PhD, the deadline is and that will come later on, so I will make a separate video for that about this university. So this is the deadline for the application of under this scholarship, 30th of September. Okay, so how to apply? So this is the procedure here of application. So I want to mention that thing that there is an application fee of 30 euro under this program. So this is the official link. You can go through this link and you can apply for it and apply for this scholarship. Thank you very much. Best of luck, and I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for being with me, and kindly like and share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.